Hi everyone, Chad here from Dirt Poor TV. Today what we're going to do is we're going to install some Woody's ice scratchers. These are the 12-inch carbide tip. These are cable type. They're going to be installed on this XF 9000 High Country. It's a 144-inch length, 2 1/4-inch lug track. And what we want to do is we want to get these installed so it kicks up some snow and ice to lubricate our high faxes, and also kicks them up for our heat exchanger when we're in them low snow trail conditions or riding across that lake. So stay tuned, and I want to thank everyone out there that has subscribed to the channel. If you're watching and you like the content that we have on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway with some hats or some shirts, but you have to be subscribed to be entered into that drawing. So stay tuned. Close to your front skis, but not in front of your first idler wheel. So I already have the hole that is factory for the factory ice scratchers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ream that hole out, and you need to use a 3/8 inch drill bit to ream that out. Check and see if your bolt fits through there, and it does. So what you want to do is a test fit. Let's take your ice scratcher. We're just doing a test fit right now. And the ice scratchers are marked left and right, so they do go on a specific side. Sorry for my arm being in the way. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is get in here and you're going to want to snug this down so you can get the right angle. And remember, no greater than 45 degrees. You want to get your carbide tip set at the right angle that you want it set at, so it'll dig into the ice and snow. And I am thinking that right there is perfect. So you're going to want to tighten the jam nut. Sorry, I went the wrong way. Tighten up the jam nut. That looks really good. And then you also have to take into consideration where is it going to mount when you're done. So back in here somewhere, I'm going to do something a little different back in here. I've got a few pieces of tubing. I have some cable clamps, 1/2-inch cable clamps. We're going to try to do something with that up here because this sled only has 400 miles on it, and I do not want to damage these rails. So what you do now is we'll pull it off, we'll go over to the bench, and then we'll tighten this down, this jam nut down. We'll come back over here and start all over again and Loctite it and tighten it down and torque it for the last time. So now that we have it over at the vise, we're going to use our 9/16 wrench, and we're going to hold on to the carbide. I'll even use another wrench so it doesn't move on me. We're going to tighten it down. You want to snug this down pretty good. Okay, they give you Loctite in the kit. Use a liberal amount. get back to the angle that you had set. Which was right there. Snug her up. So to torque it to 35 foot-pounds, you're going to have something to hold this angle correct. So I used a 7/8 wrench. Put it on there. Get in here with your torque wrench. Use the 7/8 wrench so it doesn't spin. Right there's 35. So this side is done. What they're saying to do, Woody's recommends you just pick your scratcher up, stick it in here, or stick it over the top, but it will damage your rail, and I don't want to scratch this rail. And then we'll see if this will work by holding my scratcher so it won't damage my rails. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this Torx bolt. Place the clamp in there. Snug it back up. Try to see if we can find the area that it'll work. We're close. I'm going to snug that down. And there you go. There's what's going to hold it in there, and it's not going to damage my rail. When I need it, I will pull it out. Perfect. That thing fits in there tight too. Okay, so just repeat on the right hand side, and you will have new ice scratchers on your machine. And I want to thank everyone out there that has subscribed to the channel. If you're watching and you like the content that we have on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. When we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway with some hats or some shirts. But you have to be subscribed to be entered into that drawing. So stay tuned.
Go.
Hi everyone, Chad here from Dirt Poor TV. Today what we're going to do is try to get through this video before the lights go out because it keeps flickering. We've had them go out probably about 15 times. We've got an ice storm going on right now. But we're going to install some Woody 12-inch carbide ice scratchers. The lights went out. 12-inch carbide ice scratchers on this XF9000 High Country. It has a 144-inch length track and 2 1/4-inch lug. So we want to get these scratchers down. Did you shut it off?
No. It's still rolling.
Hi everyone, Chad here from